Hey guys, Justin here with Dead Air Silencers, and this is the all-new RXD910Ti. This is our third installment in our RXD series of silencers that we're releasing with Ruger. The RXD910 is a 9mm optimized, 10mm capable pistol silencer. It is 3D printed, low back pressure, and lightweight. So let's just run through some of the features and specs on this thing. And the first thing that we're going to talk about is Triskelion. Much like most of our recent releases, the RXD910Ti uses the Triskelion baffle system. So not only does that create excellent sound suppression, but it also pushes a considerable amount of gases and pressure out the front of the silencer, minimizing back pressure into the host firearm while shooting. So when we're talking about Triskelion, first let's talk about the exceptional acoustics. Thanks to the technology of the Triskelion baffle system, we were able to design this silencer around 9mm cartridges and sound optimize it for shooting 9mm cartridges, but still be capable of shooting and suppressing 10mm cartridges. One of the benefits of the Triskelion architecture is that when compared to a more traditional style suppressor baffle, we lose less sound performance when firing a smaller projectile through a slightly larger bore size. So by using the Triskelion baffles, we were able to give the RXD910Ti a 10mm bore size without compromising the sound performance when firing 9mm cartridges. Now let's talk about back pressure. As mentioned earlier, the Triskelion baffles in this silencer minimize back pressure while shooting. This reduces the amount of gas and debris that are pushed back into the host firearm, which leads to 1, less wear and tear on your guns, and 2, less gas being blown back into your face while you're shooting, so you can shoot quiet, clean, and more accurate. The RXD910 is also really light. This silencer is 3D printed out of grade 5 titanium, keeping it very, very lightweight while maintaining all of the strength and structural integrity that you're used to out of our products. Another relatively new feature on the RXD910Ti, much like the RXD30Ti that we released last year with Ruger, is the integrated e-brake feature here at the front of the silencer. This is going to provide added recoil reduction while shooting, which is going to allow for faster, more accurate follow-up shots. The RXD910Ti is going to ship with a booster assembly already installed in the rear of the silencer with a 1/2x28 piston. So this is going to be ready out of the box for use on any of your handguns that have a tilting barrel style action. This silencer is P-Series compatible though, so you'll be able to remove this whole booster assembly and then utilize any of our P-Series adapters like our key micro system, P-Series Xeno, direct thread mounts, or tri-lug for mounting this silencer to all of your different firearms. Now here at the front of the silencer, the RXD910Ti does ship with an aluminum 10mm flash hider front cap, but these threads here at the front are R-Series compatible. So using our line of R-Series front caps, you will have a whole host of options of front caps to switch this out if you want to do that while shooting other calibers through this silencer. Let's talk caliber rating. The most common calibers you'll be putting through this silencer are 9mm, 10mm, 300 blackout, 38 special, 357 magnum, or 5.7x28. But the RXD910Ti is rated up to 400 legend. The RXD910Ti comes in at 7.7 inches long and weighs 11.4 ounces with the booster assembly installed and only 7 ounces without the booster assembly. This silencer is available in both black and FDE in high temp Cerakote. When you get your RXD910Ti silencer, it is going to come in the box with a booster assembly and 1/2x28 piston already installed, a suppressor tool for installation, and a quick start guide. MSRP for the RXD910Ti will be $999. As usual guys, if you have any comments or any questions, please put those down in the comments of this video, or feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email, info@deadairsilencers.com, and you can always find more information about the new RXD910Ti by going to our website, www.deadairsilencers.com.